Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and ever since Xiaomi unveiled its very first smartwatch, the Mi Watch, I've been really excited to check it out. Well, this is the Mi Watch. Yeah, it's not, it's the Apple Watch. Okay, so this is the Mi Watch, and well, there's a lot to talk about this cool new watch from Xiaomi. But before we get started, I suggest you to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post an awesome new video. Now that you've done that, let's talk about the Mi Watch. So here it is, one of the few smartwatches that have got me excited of late, the Mi Watch. And yes, let's first address the Apple Watch resemblance. This is the Mi Watch next to the Apple Watch, and it's pretty clear that the Mi Watch takes a lot of design cues from the Apple Watch. And I mean a lot. Let me show you. So the Mi Watch box looks similar to the Apple Watch. The Mi Watch has the same size squarish display with the same resolution. On the right, you get the crown, mic and the power button in the exact same order as the Apple Watch. On the left side, it has the speaker exactly like Apple Watch. So yes, there's no doubt that the Mi Watch is a lot like Apple Watch. But yes, there are a few differences, like the fact that the Mi Watch is bulkier and thicker. Its strap has the more traditional watch buckle. But yeah, the first thing you notice when you see the Mi Watch is obviously the Apple Watch resemblance. Anyway, if you keep that aside, I think the Mi Watch is a very premium looking smartwatch. Like I said, it's a little thick, but yeah, at this price range, I think this is definitely premium. This is the standard edition of the Mi Watch, so you get the premium aluminium body and the silicone rubbery strap. The strap here is interchangeable, and so far it seems really comfortable. The strap also bends nicely, so I think no matter what the size of your hand is, the Mi Watch should fit you perfectly. Plus, this is a design that is functional. The crown can be used to navigate the watch, and the speaker here means you'll be able to take calls, play music directly on the watch. I did check the speaker and it sounded okayish, but yeah, it's here. Plus, the Mi Watch is said to be water resistant. Now, Xiaomi hasn't mentioned if it's 5 ATM or IP68, but yeah, water resistance is good. Other than that, the display on the Mi Watch seems really good. It is a 1.78-inch AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 3, and it's surrounded by some bezels. Anyway, I've only used the watch for a couple of days, but this seems like a sharp and responsive display. Also, I love how bright this display is. I compared the brightness of the Mi Watch with the Apple Watch, and the Mi Watch's display is almost as bright as the Apple Watch display, which is really nice. Apart from that, there is an option to set the display to always on, which is great. So overall, on the design front, the Mi Watch is pretty well sorted. But what's it like to use the Mi Watch? Well, other than the design itself, one of the biggest highlights of the Mi Watch is MIUI for watch. The Mi Watch comes with Wear OS with the MIUI skin on top. First of all, setting up the watch requires the new Mi Wear app and the Wear OS for China app, both of which are obviously only available in China right now. But yeah, it was fairly easy to set things up. Now, most of the usual functionality in MIUI for watch remains the same as what you get on Wear OS. You get the same gestures. Swipe down from the top to check notifications. Swipe up from the bottom for quick settings. Swipe from the right to get different fitness tracking tiles that are customizable. Swipe from the left to access the voice assistant, which on this Chinese variant of the Mi Watch is Xiaomi Xiao Assistant. But yeah, we can expect the Google Assistant in the global version. Now, apart from all the Wear OS gestures in Mi Watch, you get all the Wear OS functionality, which means you can reply to calls, you can take action on notifications, control music playback, and do a lot more, which is all great. So what exactly is MIUI for watch? First up, there are a lot of different watch faces. As you can see, these are the ones available in the app on the Mi Watch, but you should be able to download more. Then there's the crown, which you can use to access the app drawer and also scroll and navigate. There's a good haptic feedback when you use the crown, which is kind of nice. Anyway, the difference MIUI for watch makes is the apps. Xiaomi had said that MIUI will bring 40 plus exclusive apps, and well, there are a few pre-installed here. As you can see, there's an app drawer, and again, it's very watchOS-like. But I hate the fact that there are no names below these icons. Plus, this is the Chinese variant of the Mi Watch, so except the Wear OS pages of the UI, everything is in Chinese. Having said that, I can tell you that the MIUI for watch here brings the watch-friendly versions of the MIUI App Store, the weather app, the calendar app, the clock app, the wallet app, and more. I also like the fact that the Mi Watch comes with apps like WeChat, Alipay, QQ Music, and more, because these suggest that the Mi Watch can be used as an independent device. See, the Mi Watch has eSIM support, which is big. I mean, this means that the Mi Watch has 4G support, so people will be able to use it as a standalone device to make calls, play music, navigate to places, book cabs, and do a lot more. Yes, to be honest, eSIM support on a watch price so low is just amazing. Now, we haven't been able to try the eSIM support because this is the Chinese variant of the Mi Watch. But yes, when it comes to India, we'll definitely check it out and hopefully it will work in India. Apart from eSIM, you get Wi-Fi support, GPS, so you can use maps, NFC for making payments, Bluetooth 4.2, which is a little strange, and the whole host of sensors. Now, with all of these sensors, you get all the fitness features you need. There's the step counter, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, blood pressure monitor, and you get the different workout tracking modes like running, walking, cycling, mountain climbing, swimming, and more. And all of your data is available through the Mi Wear app. Well, I will be testing out all the fitness features on the Mi Watch once it arrives in India because, like I said, all of the apps here are in Chinese, so yeah, I don't know Chinese. So, moving on to the performance, the Mi Watch comes with the Snapdragon Wear 3100 platform with 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. Now, so far the Mi Watch has been performing fine, but I've seen many Wear OS watches get fairly laggy, so it'll be interesting to see how well the Mi Watch does when it's used extensively for, say, a week. Well, that's another thing I'll be testing when the watch officially arrives in India. Lastly, there's the battery. The Mi Watch comes with a 570 mAh battery, which is pretty big for a watch. I mean, the Mi Watch is set to last 3 days on usual usage thanks to MIUI's optimizations, which sounds really good, but yeah, that's something we need to test out. On the charging front, the Mi Watch comes with a magnetic pogo charger, which is fairly easy to use. I can just put the watch on the charger and that's it starts charging. Xiaomi also bundles the charging adapter with the watch, so that is great. But that was a good look at the brand new Mi Watch. Now this is the Mi Watch Standard Edition, which starts at 1299 yuan, which is around rupees 13,000 in India. And at that price, there's no doubt that this is a feature-packed smartwatch. The Apple Watch Resemblance aside, this is a premium-looking smartwatch. The display seems really good. MIUI for watch seems feature-packed. eSIM support is just amazing for a watch price so low, and the battery life is said to be fairly good too. So yes, if you think about it, Xiaomi might have a winner with the Mi Watch. But hey, this is the Chinese variant like we have said, so we haven't really tested things out. So you know what, I will reserve our judgment for our full review, which will arrive whenever the Mi Watch arrives in India. And well, I hope that is soon. So what do you think of the Mi Watch? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to share it with your friends who have been wanting to take a good look at the new Xiaomi smartwatch. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.